I spent $1,400 from Lazada, as you can tell from the title.
Spend $1,400?
So, I have 2 small packages and 1 big package here. Let's do some ASMR. So I bought these at about $200 off the original price, and you will appreciate that $200 because this brand is never gonna sell their stuff at a discount. Never ever, okay? And I got it at $200 off. If you wanna find out how, later I'll tell you, so just watch on. Jang, 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 jang. Goodbye. Don't need this. Don't need this too. Oh, another ASMR.
Oh yeah.
This is the iPad Pro 11-inch. So I always wanted an iPad Pro because, wow, that's a very good question. So this is the iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi version, 256 gig. Okay, to be honest, I don't know anything much about the specifications, but I only know that it's beautiful, it's small, it's light, and it's pretty. My love.
What?
Let's go through what's inside the box first, okay? Manual, don't need that. I'm an Apple Pro seasoned player, okay? What is this? I'm an Apple Pro seasoned player. Secondly, you see the charging head, very good. Very good for charging. Secondly, you see the wire, USB-C on the top and the bottom, very good. Okay, charge to here and the other end to the iPad. Yeah, okay, very good. Yeah, this to the side. This to the side too. Wow. Say hi to my new baby. You're not my baby anymore.
Hey.
This. Come on, I'm waiting. Hello? Hello, hello, hello.
Set up new iPad.
Set up new iPad. Yeah, boy. Face ID. Oh my god, you see that? Gosh. It takes a few minutes to activate your iPad. So, let's give it a moment to rest. Let's move on to... So, this is the second package that I got. All these are for the iPad, okay? So, I mean, every iPad user will probably buy this. So, oh my nail. Thank you.
Welcome.
I feel like I'm so high right now. Over here, we see the Apple Pencil Generation 2. First thing you see, of course, is the manual. And of course, the pencil, guys. So this pencil, by the way, you don't really need charging because you can just charge it to your iPad wirelessly, and it connects and links to the iPad wirelessly as well. So you don't really need any charging wires or whatever, okay? My third package. This is to protect my baby. My baby is very precious and my baby needs protection and a helmet. My baby needs an armor. This is the cover that I bought. I didn't want to buy the Apple one because it's expensive. After I open this, I'll tell you what are the better functions than the Apple one, okay? So, this is the Logitech Slim Folio Pro. It's my baby's protection. To protect my baby from outside world, okay? There's a lot of bad things in the outside world. We cannot let my baby be exposed to that, okay? It's a Bluetooth like stand and a keyboard all together. And the best thing is, this is the thing that the Apple cover doesn't have, which is, it allows you to hold your Apple Pencil in place. Like, it wraps your Apple Pencil and it keeps it in place so that your Apple Pencil don't drop off, you know? Okay. This is how it looks like. Very pretty. Oh! One more thing. You know what? It has a backlit keyboard. Okay? The Apple one don't have. It's a bit thicker than the one from Apple, but it protects your baby well from the head to the bottom, covered up. Okay, this is where you stick your pencil and then you can flap it in, keep it in place. That's where you go, baby. If you wanna look at it upright, okay, like this. Like this. Ah, 有没有听到? I don't know what this is called, but maybe in the guys' world this is called like mechanical. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Ha! Scared, huh? Pencil here. Oh, and then what do? Cover. Pencil is in place and baby is protected. Now I have an iPad. So now let me tell you. Okay, where's my? Okay, so on Lazada they have a lot of stores, but if you want to find the most genuine store, you need to go to Last Mall. So on Last Mall, you can find all the official stores, and Apple is actually part of the official store as well. So you can buy all your Apple products on Lazada. It is 100% authentic, and the same warranty and terms and conditions apply. Let's talk about the case first. So this case is $179 original price. But you know what? Basic Bitch Me has many vouchers, so I got it at 121. Now we go on to the Apple Pencil, okay? Original price is $189. Guess how much I got it at? I got it at $144. And moving on to the iPad itself, 1419 original price on Apple Store. I got it at 1.256k. Even if you are a student, you can't even get this kind of discounts on the retail store or the official Apple website. Let me tell you my tricks. So there are a few things that you need to know. First things is seller vouchers, which Apple probably doesn't have, but there are seller vouchers for a lot of other sellers that you can buy from. So the Logitech Case seller actually had some vouchers, and that's how I got the discount. So next thing would be platform vouchers. Usually on all these festivals, Lazada will actually release vouchers for you to collect. For example, $100 off minimum spend $1,000. So like this, you get $100 off, you know? So collect all those and then decide whether you want to use them one day before, after you decided what you want to buy. Thirdly would be bank vouchers. For example, they would partner with like DBS, OCBC, Citibank, Maybank, Standard Chartered, okay, to come up with discounts that you can use if you use the card to purchase on Lazada. Just by these 3 things, I got $200 plus off my baby purchase. So that's all I have today. Say bye to my baby, please.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching, guys. And again, love me, sub me if you wanna reach me. Bye!